The original sand that was put in there was definitely too fine, and it was making a lot of dust. Even though I covered up the last couple layers of it with some of that rubber shredded tire that you use for mulching, it was just getting so darn dusty in here. So anyways, what I'm going to do is clean this out. Well, when I get it light enough, I'm going to replace the tires. This thing is so heavy. It's squashed the tires. I get some metal tires I'm going to put on there now. None of the rounds really made it past a foot. I ended up using a thicker sand so it doesn't get as dusty, and a lot more of that chopped up tire mulch. Works out pretty nicely.